在飞机上。我能看一下您的登机牌吗？
May I see your boarding pass, please?
没有登机牌，我不能让您进去。
I can't let you in without a boarding pass.
请遵守不准吸烟的告示。
Please observe the no smoking signs.
您能带我去座位吗？
Can you show me the way to my seat?
您介意和我换位子吗？
Do you mind exchanging seats with me?
我能把它放进头顶行李舱吗？
Can I put it in the overhead compartment?
我觉得恶心。
I feel sick.
我需要一直系着安全带吗？
Do I have to keep the seatbelt fastened at all times?
怎样将我的椅背恢复到垂直的位置？
How do I bring my seat back to its full upright position?
我现在可以使用卫生间了吗？
Can I use the toilet now?
能帮我调一下空调的气流吗？
Would you please help me adjust the airflow?
可以拿条毯子给我吗？
Could I have a blanket?
能给我份快餐吗？
Can you offer me a snack?
飞机上供应午餐吗？
Will lunch be served in flight?
能给我点喝的吗？
Can I have something to drink? On the plane.
What's your seat number, sir?
It's 30A.
That will be 3 rows up on the right. It's the window seat. Is this your bag?
Oh, yes. Can I put it in the overhead compartment?
Well, it's too big. It might fall down and hurt somebody. Could you place it under the seat in front of you, please?
Sure. Would you please help me adjust the airflow? I feel a bit cold.
Yes. You just turn the knob here, above you, in whichever direction you like. You can shut it off by turning it tightly to the right. Would you like a blanket?
Yes, thanks. Can I have something hot to drink?
Yes, of course. What would you prefer?
Coffee, please.
We will be serving lunch in about 15 minutes. Would you prefer the beef or the chicken today?
I think I'd like the chicken today, thank you.
Coming right away, sir.